this video, we will learn how to use shadcn in our Next.js application. For that, I have created a new Next.js app, and in the home page, I have displaying some text, and I have run the project by npm run dev, and here you can see the output from the home page. So that is it. So installing shadcn in our project, we need to go shadcn documentation. So shadcn UI, we need to type on the browser, and you can find shadcn UI. After that, we need to go the documentation. Here you have everything that you need. You can learn everything from here. You can learn by theming and how can you use dark mode or toggle dark mode, or here you have multiple options that how you can use in shadcn in your Next.js application or Python remix, Astro, Laravel, Gatsby, and manual setup for any other framework or UI libraries. So for initialize shadcn, we will go to the installation. We will initialize for Next.js. That's why I am selecting Next.js, and here the command, if you use npm, then you can copy it. I will use ban, that's why I'll copy the ban, and if you use pnpm or yarn, you can choose them from here, and I'm just copied the ban, and I'm going my terminal, just paste, and it will create a new UI. Here is a component /UI, and here it will create a new component .json for initialize our shadcn UI. So hit enter. So maybe here I have some problem. So what is the problem in my I don't know what is the problem, but no Tailwind CSS configuration found. So it's likely didn't get installed and try again later. Oh, sorry. So before I have installed Tailwind, but I need to add the base of Tailwind base. So I have forget. I need to see the documentation. Tailwind. So here we have step by step. So here the setup. So I have forget. So now I think it will be worked. Oh, sorry. It will be worked. Okay. I don't need new work. So which style would you like to use? So use So you can see the new work behavior here in your component, and you can see just default behavior here. So here is new work and here is default behavior, just some changes, and you can choose that you want. So I'll choose default. That's why I'm selecting default. Which color I'll choose. Which color would you like to use as the base color? So I will use neutral color. I prefer. So would you like to use CSS variables for theming? Yes. Okay, it will initialize everything, and here you can see the shadcn automatically added some variables in the base in our Tailwind and CSS, and the shadcn is created a new component.json file. Here we have some configuration from shadcn, and here is the basic. So if we want to install Next.js, and suppose you need to use button, you can specifically add button. Like you can add any component that you need in your application, and what you prefer you can add. And here we have a lot of component, pre-built component you can use for organize your code page. So we're gonna add button in our project. So just hit after that here in the components directory in the UI, the button component is added. So it is just reusable button, and shadcn extend everything from Redux UI, so and makes it for usable for Next.js application. So it is reusable button and global organization, or organize your code from center. For using normal button, you can choose this button, or you can choose like multiple component, and you can like you can use a modal or button or anything that you want, like avatar, calendar, card, and your main component is added here, and you can reuse this component in multiple place in your app. So if you made just one change here, then it will reflect the change whole application, or just specifically you can use some variant. So we can see some variant, like we can use this button in our app. So if we add button, so just click me. If we see on the browser, so here is our default button from shadcn. So we can change variant and style. Variant default is default variant already selected, and after just look at this, they are already giving us suggestion. So you can use like outline button or link button or secondary button. So you can choose what you need, what you want in your application. Sorry, like that. It is just outline button and don't have, oh sorry. So this is it, and you can add multiple component, like you can add every component in by single command. So for that you need to use shadcn latest add just this flag, dash all latest add button, card, form input. You don't need to specify every component separately. You can use all at a time for using all component from shadcn, and it will be added everything from shadcn, and you can use in your project without adding multiple time. So that is it. If I hit like enter, it is checking registry. After some time, update it, tailwind config. I need to write because I don't have made any changes on the button. Use mobile. Yes, I need to add, but because suppose you can make changes in your button. So in this case, after that you are using the all command or any command that is suggest you that already exist. So then you can use a no for the existed button will be not reflected by your new added components in your project. So I don't have any changes, that's why I'm just selecting yes. Okay, everything is added. So if you look at this on the component/UI, everything from the shadcn is added here, and we can use everything is reusable and well organized. We can use it in our whole application by single command. We don't need to create my reusable component. It is well structured for Next.js and any other framework like Byte, Remix, Astro, Laravel, gets by, and your manual configuration you can add. So it is very powerful tools. So if we want to use like another component like alert, so this is an alert, breadcrumb, badge, chart, like accordion. Like we can use it in our project. For that, export function. We don't need export. We need to use on top, and the date we can use this project. So what is the problem? And effortlessly. Wow, good and best accordion forever. And you can change everything, every style, and everything is customizable from here. And you can check it out like card. Here is built in a card like a form, or like a register or login form. And here you have carousel, and here you have multi, and it is draggable like command, checkbox, chart. Oh sorry, it's collapsible, 6 box. So everything is reusable. Like navigation menu you can use without creating. So nested menu bar, switch, table, tabs. Here you can edit pre-built like a form. You can use toast, so it is good UI, so you can try it, and it is very popular UI, and this managed by Vercel now, and Vercel is managed everything, and it is open source.